everyone, this is Maria, and today I have a really super fun unboxing. I mean, it looks really fun. And so I was really excited when I saw these at the 99-cent only store yesterday. And so we have these little cake pop cuties. And so here are the small ones. These were $1.99. They look like lollipops. Look how cute these are. And they say cake pop cuties. And it says they're mystery cutie inside. They come in different colors. There were 5 different colors. And then I saw these really big ones, these jumbo-sized cake pop cuties. In fact, that's what they're called, jumbo pops. Now these were $3.99, whereas the little ones were $1.99. So I'm looking at the toys at the 99-cent store, and I came across these. These were not with the lollipop ones. They were down a ways, and so I had to go back. I go, okay, want to make sure that they are exactly the same. And they are cake pop cuties also. Says 4 and older, series 1. And look at this. There's one little toy here, and there's a little mini, and there's 3 surprise cuties inside. That's what it says right there. And they're all packaged, so you're getting 5 for $2.99. It says Squishy Cutie Families to collect. And so let's take a look at the back. So, series 1, it says Squishy Cuties Family to collect. There's a sugar-coated world made with dough, iced with frosting and sprinkled just so. You'll find magic seeds in their flour beds, and flour is spelled F-L-O-U-R, as in flour to bake cookies, that sprout rows of cake pops for miles ahead. This fertile ground makes something sweet. Cuties are hidden in every cake pop treat. How fun. And so you could see there's only 2. There's a doggy family and a kitty family. And so let's go ahead and take this one. And we're going to unwrap the little wrapper here. Okay, so I found the seam here. And I didn't want to use the scissors. And so I just went ahead and was doing this to it until it started to lift. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, these are cute. Oh, these are adorable. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, that was easy. Oh, look. Oh, so cute. A snail. And it's like, oops, something fell off. But it's a little squishy toy. And you can see it is a pencil topper. So where did this come off? Oh, this is a mini. That's what it is. So it's not supposed to be attached. It comes with it. And so it's a little mini. Also inside, you're going to find a collector's guide. And so it says Series 1. And look at all the different ones you can collect. And then here are the little sweeties. And so that would be the little minis. And so that's one of the little sweeties right there. Like a little pastry. And then here's some on the back also. Oh my gosh, look how adorable. I love these. Oh my gosh, way too cute. Okay, so let's open this one. You can see the little collector guide inside, and look, look, look. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look at his little ears. They look like chocolate chips. And then there's the little mini inside the lollipop. It looks like a little ice cream cone. So let's go ahead and take him out. Oh my gosh, super cute. So cute. Again, it's squishable and lovable. Oh, I just love him. And again, you could put him on a pencil. So let's open the pink one next. And let me see if I can find that little seam. Is it right there? Yep, there it is. Takes a little practice. Oh, look how cute. I love the purple with the pink. And those little sprinkles. Oh my gosh, I love these. And so let's go ahead and open this one. And this one is, oh, look how cute. So cute. Look at those big eyes and the spots. And again, he's squishy and lovable. And look at the little treat inside. It's like a little ice cream bar. Look at that pretty green. That's so pretty. Just really love that. Okay, so let's open this up. Oh, how cute. Look how adorable. I just really love that. So adorable. And let's see what kind of treat we have in here. Looks like a little cookie, a little flour cookie or chocolate. Very, very cute. And let's go ahead and twist that off. Oh my gosh, super, super cute. I love it. And so let's see what kind of little cutie we have inside. Oh, it's a lollipop. We got Choco Cubby and Catsy Cone, so cute. And we also got Confetti Yeti. And this one right here is Cocoa Pup, so adorable. And this one right here is Snail. Okay, so now let's open up the larger ones. And so these are Cake Pop Cuties Jumbo Pops. Okay, it took me a little bit to find that seam. So let's go ahead and tear this off. Oh my gosh, I mean, look at these. So cute, right? And so let's go ahead and open this up. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the collector's guide right here. And let's see, these are wrapped. And let's go ahead and see what this is. Oh my gosh, look at that slice of pie. Is that carrot cake? There's a carrot there. That is so cute. And it looks like there's a place to sit some of our little characters in here. And so let's go ahead and set that there. There's some little sunglasses, some little heart sunglasses. There's some more heart sunglasses. There's pink and purple. So one of these popped out. It's a little bunny, but it looks like a carrot, doesn't it? And so let's go ahead and set the bunny inside. And then here's the little pink bunny. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. They're squishy. Looks like you can also use them as pencil toppers, but you can play with them also. Look how adorable. And so let's go ahead and set that one there. And then should we give them some sunglasses because it is summertime? How cute. I love these. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. This is like a little car, isn't it? Or maybe just a little place to hang out. I love this. This is fun, you guys. Now I wish I had bought more of these. So you can pop this back in and you can put your toys back inside. Isn't that neat? So these are Binky and Bonk. Say hello to Binky and Bonk. And here it is. So let's open this up. Isn't that pretty? I love the green with the pink and the purple. Okay, there's the lid. There's our collector's guide. There's our prize. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. These are marshmallows. Look how adorable. Oh, I love these. These are so much fun. And there's another marshmallow here. Wow, I love this. And then we have two little toys inside. So then here are the treats, a lollipop and a chocolate covered strawberry. I just noticed there's a teacup. Look at this. So this is like hot chocolate. And then we have our little toys, the lollipop and the chocolate covered strawberries. And our marshmallows go right inside. So these are Marsha and Mellow. And look at this little cup, just way too cute. Here we have the pink one with the green icing and the pink sprinkles. So let's go ahead and open this because I'm so excited, you guys. And it looks like we have a little bowl here. And so let me set this down. We also have another collector's guide. We have, oh, look at this little Dalmatian. Just so cute, this little dog. And then what's over here? Oh, this one's wrapped. Let's go ahead and open this one. Oh, look at this. There's some little party hats. These are adorable. And we have this little bowl. So there they are, cookie and cream, and of course, they're adorable, right? These are Cake Pop Cuties, Squishy Cuties, Families to Collect, Cutie Families, Series 1. And so let's go ahead and open this. This is Cream Pup. And so I just looked on the back of the package, and look at the little pink eye. I love all the colors. Just so cute and squishable. And it looks like you can also put this on a pencil if you like. Just really cute. And then here's the small one is Sprinkles. Let's see if I can get Sprinkles out. Look how cute. This is so teeny tiny. And it is squishable also. So that's Cream Puff and Sprinkles. And then there's 3 surprises. So let's start with the small ones, okay? I love surprises. And they're wrapped up. Look at this purple paper. It has sprinkles on there like confetti. So I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors to open that. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, what is it? Oh, look how cute. Look how adorable. And so let's carefully open that with the scissors. And this is the blue packaging with the sprinkles. The rubbery. Oh, look at this one. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. Way too adorable. I think I need to go back to the 99-cent only store. Oh my gosh, look at this. I am so excited. So let's go ahead and open this one. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at that. Wowzers. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I just love this. Cutie Families. So these are the Cutie Families. And so we have Cream Puff. And then we have Cinnapooch. Oh my gosh, way too cute. And then this is Dollop. Oh, I love that name, Dollop. And we have, oh my gosh, Churrito, like a churrito, so cute. And then here's this one, Sprinkles. Oh my gosh, I love all of their names. So here's the last one, the Cake Pop Cuties. So this is Strawberry Shortcat. Just way too cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then this one here is Kitty Berry. And so now let's open up these right here. So let's go ahead and start with this little blue one here. Whoops. Sorry, guys. And this one here. Oh my gosh. Look how cute. This is Strudel. This is Strudel. Isn't he cute? And this one, it's pink, and I love pink. This one is, aw, this is Truffle. Look at that. Truffle is so cute. I love her. I love that pink. This is Cara Meow. And look at the little curl. Just way too cute. Just love this too. And again, you can also put this one on a pencil if you like. Just adorable. So what do I think about these Cake Pop Cuties? Well, I super duper love them and give them 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching, everyone. In the comments below, let me know which ones are your favorites. And have you found these Cake Pop Cuties at your store? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've got to get over to the 99-cent store and buy some more. Talk to you later, everyone. Bye.